Here is how to permanently delete Snapchat account. First of all, open up Snapchat app and then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From the period menu, you should proceed to main menu. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Alright, once you're here, you just scroll down a little bit and tap on delete account. Alright, next step, enter your Snapchat login or username or email and then tap on next. Tap on cancel, enter your password from your current Snapchat. Alright, then tap on next. You should again enter your password and of course login to your Snapchat account and then tap on continue over here. As you can see, account deactivated. During 30 days, your account will be deleted. If you have like to reactivate your account before that happens, you just log in into Snapchat.